Now watch this question. Verify the matrices. Three matrices are given here, A, B and C. They all have the same characteristic equation. Some equation is given. This equation is given. So the question is, maybe they might ask you in gate like this, which of the following matrices have the same characteristic equation. Okay, so how to find out the characteristic equation? Find out A minus lambda I, the determinant, and equate it to 0. The expression which you get is called as characteristic expression or characteristic polynomial, and when you equate it to 0, we are going to get characteristic equation. So what I mean to say is, the characteristic equation we get is this one, determinant of A minus lambda I equal to 0. And you find out determinant of A minus lambda I. How can you find out determinant of A minus lambda I? I told you, take the principal diagonal elements and you apply minus lambda there. So if you observe this, I'm talking about the matrix A. I'll do it for A, you do it for B and C. Okay, so I have taken this matrix A exactly, and across the diagonal elements I'm just subtracting lambda, which means I'm going to get minus lambda and minus lambda here. That is what I did. So after finding out all the minus lambdas, I have to find out determinant of this and equate it to 0. Then what I did is I just expanded it normally. So I have expanded it across the first row. So minus lambda into determinant of this, minus h into determinant of this, and g into determinant of this. That is what I did. I did not do anything new here. Everything is same. I just have taken the same matrix and I found out the determinant. Okay. So this is the matrix I got, A minus lambda I, and applied the normal determinant method. Then I got this determinant. So after that you have to equate it to 0. That is nothing but the characteristic equation. Now if you simplify it, we are going to get this one. So I did it for matrix A. I want you to do it for matrix B and C. You please do it as an exercise. I did it for A. Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So, first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities, but whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is, we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.